silver medalist sa Southeast Asian Games since 2003. Sunod-sunod niyan, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. They were always the silver medalist. So you could see the game, no, ng Vietnam.
And that service and an ace brought to you by Smart Live More. Back-to-back hits para di sa Vietnam. Like you mentioned in set number 1, Chicky, calculating yung laro nitong Vietnam. They haven't been doing anything very fast.
Right.
Hindi naman masyadong baon na baon pa yung mga hataw nila, pero sakto lang, saktong kalkuladong atake, block, service.
Yes. That's right. Saka hinuhulog lang nila yung mga bola o mga off-speed lang. Usually kasi nagpo-first option sila, nag-a-quick sila, nag-running spike sila, pero so far wala pa tayong nakikita ng gano'n. That was a good block from Jaja.
And Jaja Santiago telling the opposition, meet me at the top and don't be late. And this is the Smart block brought to you by Smart Live More.
Ang ganda ng pagka-block ni Jaja, no? Hindi sobrang lakas, pinahulog lang niya talaga para mahirap kunin ng Vietnam.
Unfortunately, service error para din sa Team Pilipinas, 2-point lead para sa Vietnam. Again, the errors, we can't give those 3 points, especially sa isang koponan na talagang malinis maglaro. This service is brought to you by Smart Live More. Oh, Rachel Dakis puts it down.
Alam mo, again, yung first ball natin wasn't really very nice, very well played, pero ang ganda nung adjustment na ginawa natin at, nagpuntos tuloy si Rachel Dakis doon.
And that ultra fast spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Jaja Santiago on deck to serve.
So far, Jaja Santiago continues with the service errors. Minsan sobrang adrenaline kasi yan kaya naglumalagpas yung bola sa court.
Now Bui T with the service brought to you by Smart Live More. And an ace for Vietnam.
And yung service nga ng Vietnam is like their regular serve, no extra effort from them, and yet they continue to score because pinapabayaan nating bumagsak ang bola sa court natin. Kailangan sundan ang bola.
Oh, Tintin Santiago Manabat will score.
At yun ang dapat na marami nating makita. We should see that more often because pagka linagay mo ang play sa gitna, usually talaga pumupuntos ang team, whatever team it is.
When you control the middle, control the game.
Correct.
Jovelyn Gonzaga with the service brought to you by Smart Live More. Vietnam with the combination play. Sobra. Still with a chance here. Dakis, great save. Dakis gets it back. Gets blocked. And Vietnam again on the board.
Medyo mababa yung set kay Dakis Kaya nahirapan siyang mag-adjust in midair.
And that block brought to you by Smart Live More. Running serve para sa Vietnam. Lazaro receives well. Running attack and Tintin Santiago Manabat puts it down.
Yan ang dapat nating makita mula sa Philippines. A middle hit, a back set there from Morado, which is a running hit for Jajo. Favorite hit niya yan
Elevation devastation. Ultra fast spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra. Ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Dakis serves it up. 4 serving 6. Set number 2 tayo. Lazaro, great read. Dakis, Mobuelo mula sa back row.
Masyado lang naka-angle yung hit ni Dakis, kaya lumabas. Pero siguro an inch or 2 lang yun from the line.
But if anything, you have to appreciate the fight and the energy you can see from Rachel Dakis.
Yeah.
Chance ball given up. What activity para dito sa Vietnamese libero. Pagkakataon ulit para sa Vietnam. Here's the setup, the wind-up, the block and the finish for Tintin Manabat.
Ang ganda ng pagka-block ni Tintin Manabat dun kasi off-speed yung bola niya pero rinidirect ang bola ng Vietnam that is, pero rinidirect pa rin ni Manabat yung bola when it was blocked by her. Look at this. She goes up, redirection.
Entrance denied. The Smart block brought to you by Smart Live More. Manabat with the service. 2-point disadvantage, inaabot ng Pilipinas. Regalo. Di mapatay pa ni Jaja Santiago. And that time, Jaja Santiago says enough.
And now, yung Philippines mas nagiging aggressive at ang gustong-gusto rin naman ng fans ng Philippines.
We're getting different ways of offense. We get that off the block and the kill.
At saka alam mo, mas ginaganahan yung players ng Philippines pag naririnig niya yung mga fans no? Cheering for them.
Regalo ulit. And unfortunately, Malaysia will score. I think there was a violation.
That's right. There was a net infraction there from the Philippines.
8-6 lead para sa Vietnam into the first technical timeout.
The 2015 Southeast Asian Games is brought to you by Peak. I Can Play.
The new FanCam lets you watch over your family, controlled by the quad-core PLDT Home Telpad.
Life's too short to miss out on the possibilities. Go for the bigger waves. Reach new destinations. Conquer greater heights. Are you up for it? When life calls, it's game on. Summit Natural Drinking Water. Thirst for more.
Introducing the all-new Smart Postpaid Surf Plus plan. Packed with super-sized data. Choose freebies every month, plus calls and texts, and the latest smartphones. It's postpaid made smart.
More energy para di sa Team Pilipinas. We're only down by 2. Kontra dito sa Vietnam in set number 2. 8-6. Marami pong taong gumising na maaga para manood.
Oo.
Friends natin, si Jen Reyes.
Hello.
Is up and watching. Christian Encarnacion also watching this game.
Hello to you.
And an attack error. And a point para di sa Team Pilipinas, a chance to equalize in this next sequence.
At pag nag-errors ang Vietnam, kailangan talaga take advantage. Ayan, gandahan ng services mula sa Pilipinas. Mas mag-ingay ang Pilipinas. Kasi nakaka-intimidate din yan pag maingay ang team
Service brought to you by Smart, Live More, and we serve up an ace. Tie game.
First time tayo mag-tie dito sa game na to with Vietnam. At si Morado delivered kasi magaling talaga mag-serve tong si Dia Kung pwede lang ituloy-tuloy niya to, maigi yan for the Philippines.
The smiling assassin on deck to serve. The Vietnamese libero continues to play well. And when they can put it up in the air, they will put it down.
And pag binabasa mo yung mukha ng Vietnam, hindi naman sila panic. Parang relaxed pa rin ang mode nila. And you could see there, Vietnam's number 8, Min, pinadaan sa gitna ng blockers ng Philippines ang bola niya for a quick point.
The service brought to you by Smart, Live More. Jaja, soft hit, couldn't finish. Pagkakataon para sa Vietnam. Huli sa taas pero puntos para sa kanila.
Lumalabas yung yung blocking natin pagka binablock natin ang outside hitters ng Vietnam. So what the blockers of the Philippines should do is face yung outside blocker, yung shoulder niya dapat ipaloob niya ng konti para ang direksyon ng bola pasok sa court.
Oh, sharp serve, pinadala nila with Jovelyn Gonzaga. Ay, sayang dun yung adjustment in midair.
That's right, medyo malayo kasi ang pag-set for a tip.
After a tied game, 8-all, biglang umalaga ulit yung Vietnam, now up by 11-8.
Kailangan bantayan ng Philippines itong si Chi, the setter of Vietnam, because talagang iniikot niya ang bola. They have to figure out who the hitter is to be able to block well.
And Tan elevates and puts it down.
Down the line hit by Chan.
More power this time para sa Vietnam. Kanina, hindi na masyado sino-showcase yan.
Oo.
Mas may hataw sila sa mga palo. Good job by the blockers in the coverage. Jaja. This is a tip that time, the fingertips. Huli sa taas and a block in the kill. Rachel Dawkins. Meet me at the top and don't be late.
And why not, why not celebrate such a block? Kung makakabigay ba naman ng puntos for Philippines, diba?
Bawal kang pumasok dito. The Smart Block brought to you by Smart. Live more. Middle hit and finish.
Well, that was a good try by Philippines. It was a little bit high. That could have gone out. Kaya lang, yun nga, yung importante talaga sa team yung communication eh. Dapat sinisigaw ng teammates. If it's too high, sigaw nila outside para wala nang hahabol sa bola.
Vietnam also able to answer any uprising so far para sa Team Pilipinas. And Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Malakas talagang pumalo tong si Jovelyn Gonzaga. You know, the ball, I believe, hit in between. Yung talagang perfect ang reception naman ng Vietnam dun sa bola ni Gonzaga. Kailangan lakas eh. Kaya hindi madirect yung bola, hindi makontrol.
Kargahan na natin, hatawin na natin. The Philippines down by just one. Jaja serves it up. Sayang yung opportunity. Again, Vietnam up by 2.
Nga delivered that point for Vietnam. Nga, who's 6'2" in height. Kaya mas madali talagang mag-hit ang mga taller players, because they can go above the blocker.
Here's Manabat to the score. Philippines on the defensive, but couldn't stop that one.
Yeah, there was a check ball there. Kaya very important na ma-block completely ng front block or ng blockers ng Philippines. Ayan, ang mga hits ng Vietnam kasi ang hirap i-receive yung mga palo nila.
Performance play brought to you by Peak Performance in Action. 14 serving 11. Combination play for Rachel Dakis. Ball doesn't fall. And the attack not over. Puntos para sa Pilipinas.
Si Min tried to do an off-speed there. I think she was targeting zone 6 there, as you could see. Ngok pala, rather, not Min. Kaya lang...
Bothered by the defense.
Yeah, Ngokwa. Yeah. Kaya lang, oo nga. Tinamaan ng defense ng Philippines.
Valdez with a dig. Rachel Dakis off the blocker, and she will score.
Rachel Dakis, the MVP of the Philippine Superliga All-Filipino Conference, doing a good job here with consecutive points for the Philippines.
At tatawag ng timeout ang Vietnam. Ito na ang Team Pilipinas. Humahataw, lumalaban, walang atrasan. Timeout on the floor, back in a moment.
Introducing the all-new Smart Postpaid Surf Plus plan. Packed with super-sized data. Choose freebies every month, plus calls and texts, and the latest smartphones. It's postpaid made smart.
And Vietnam getting nervous here. Dahil humahabol dito yung Team Pilipinas. They call for time. Ang ating medal tally brought to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband, high power, at a low price. 24 golds, 29 silvers, 53 bronze medals. Sana makahabol pa tayo sa Indonesia and Malaysia. Hindi naman malabo yan. Mga events pa tayong mapapanood. Pero dito sa volleyball, of course, hoping to boost our medal chances. If we win, we enter the semis.
That's right.
But every time
Every
time humahabol naman ang Team Pilipinas, lagi may sagot ang Vietnam because they've been very, their play has been very clean, very calculating, very cool.
That's right. And at that time, there was only one blocker for the Philippines, and you can't do that. You always have to double block the hitters of Vietnam. And once again, there's a service reception error there from Philippines.
Dikit ang score, pero lamang ang Vietnam heading into the second technical timeout, 16-13.
This program is brought to you by Smart. Live more.
Guys, may 300 MB tayo!
Stock up on data with Smart Big Bites. May apps and sites up to 300 MB. 50 pesos lang for 3 days. With free YouTube pa and more. Text Big 50 to 9999.
Champion Mamta with Milo Big Pack. The bigger the pack, the bigger the savings. Buy big now. Surprise!
May special price para sa Pinoy. Save up to 15 pesos. The Happy Classic White Trial Pack. Try mong sarap.
Rap sa mag-happy, rap sa maging Noy P.